am here with all of my cloth diapers. My dryer is broken. I'm getting a new one tomorrow. I really despise line drying, so we've been in disposables for a couple days. This is the first opportunity to have my entire stash out, so I thought I would share that with you guys. So I'll start with the all-in-ones. These are all of my Blueberry Simplex. And these here. I believe there are 21 Blueberry Simplex. Most of them are the regular, not the organic, and they're fleece lined. And I do have Geffen Baby quick absorbers inside of almost all of them. I would say I probably have 18 of these now. The rest of our all-in-ones here, I just have 2 of the Thirsties Natural, and this one looks a little crinkly because it was line dried. I have 2 of the Smartbottoms 3.1, and these also are boosted with a Geffen quick absorber. That looks like I have 25 all-in-ones. Over here I have my pocket diapers, or all-in-2 diapers, and this is the NuaBaby. I love this diaper. It's just so unique. I have one of those. I have an Imagine Baby that is from my first, and it is super old. I used to use it overnight, but it's still holding up. Inside of my pockets, I use these Green Mountain diapers, size small, yellow edge, and these are so old. I got them used for somebody who had used them for years, and I have used these same set with both of my kids, so these have probably been used for like at least 5 years, and they have definitely have some wear on the cotton, but they are definitely the workhorse of my stash. I have a Bumgenius 5.0, and again stuffed with a Green Mountain diaper, size small, yellow edge. And this is my last Lalabye Baby. Absorbency just wasn't great. I just fell out of love with Lalabye Baby, but I used to really love them. Inside I have the Diaper Right 3.1 inserts. I have 2 of their large inserts in here. They're much more absorbent than the Lalabye Baby inserts. They're much thicker. So I have 2 of the large in here, and that works really well. The Diaper Right 3.1, actually the PUL went bad on those, so I kept the inserts. Luckily they snap out of their all-in-one because they're really super absorbent, but the PUL went bad on them after about a year. And then this last pocket slash all-in-2 is Bebeboo, I believe is how you pronounce it, and this is a small business. The owner is super sweet. Thea is her name, and again stuffed with a small Green Mountain Diapers cotton prefold. Okay, and down here I have a whole stack of pocket diapers that all have issues. Either the PUL has gone bad or the elastic is loose, but they all kind of still work. These have all been used for years. I got them used, like I said, with my first daughter, and we used them heavily, so cloth diapers don't last forever, especially if you buy them secondhand and you use them for multiple babies. You can expect some of your diapers to wear out. And then down here I have all of my covers. These are my Buttons diapers covers, so I have 3 of their one size. And these are my favorite covers for daytime. I absolutely love them. This is the super cover. We do use it. I do prefer their one size over their super covers, but I know for some babies this is excellent if you don't like that lower trim fit of the one size. I have Luludew. This is their convertible cover, and I got this at my local cloth diaper store. I just couldn't pass up the print, and it's literally so soft, so I had to pick it up. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You can use it like a pocket diaper, or you can snap this out and just use it as a regular cover, and it has really great flaps. So anyways, that is that. It's not my favorite because the elastics are a little tight for my daughter, and the snap placement is a little different, but it's growing on me, and I really like the quality of it. It's superb quality. And then these, here I have a Blueberry Capri cover, and this is probably one of my favorite roomier covers. It's really a cover I would recommend. And then more budget friendly, very similar to the Capri, are these Nicki's diapers covers. They all have that like little flap on the inside, but you can just tell the quality of these is definitely lower, but they work really well, and I haven't had any issues with any of these. So I have 3 of those covers. And then last but not least for covers is this Thirsties size 2 Duo Wrap. So it's a very basic cover. I got this in Velcro because I wanted to try a Velcro. As you can see in my stash, I have all snaps. This is my only Velcro diaper. And it's fine. It's not my favorite, but I haven't had any issues with it. And again, it's a roomier, bulkier cover, but sometimes you need that. So I have 25 all-in-ones, 5 pocket / all-in-twos, not including these kind of defective ones, and 10 P-Well covers. Next, I'll go into the absorbency that goes inside of these covers. So my first love is this small Green Mountain Diapers Prefold in 100% cotton. And I think I have 6, maybe 7 or 8 of those. I have one of these Prefolds here by Geffen Baby. I think this was the medium, and this is their hemp jersey. And then I have one of the hemp flattles by them, so it's hemp fleece flat. So I have one of those. I got these recently. These are the Osocozy premium Prefolds, and they are just ridiculously long. In order to make them work in my diapers, I have to fold them in fourths this way, and then it's like ridiculously bulky here in the middle. But I do absolutely love Osocozy Prefolds. The infant better fit size. I used, they have that purple edge. I used them with both of my girls for months before they sized up to the size small. Those infant Osocozy better fits are amazing. Just like the regular Prefolds that aren't the better fit size just don't seem to work for me. So you could fold it down like that, but again, you can see how thick it gets in the front, and for some people they absolutely need that. So I can see how this could be great for someone who's looking for maybe an overnight Prefold that's going to give more absorbency in the front, but it's just too much bulk for what my daughter needs. So anyways, I have 4 of those. I have 6 of these stretchy flats, bamboo stretchy flats, and these are handmade. I bought them used, but someone else bought the fabric and cut them down. Jacqueline at Jay's Nest has kind of a video showing how she made some of her own, if you want to check that out. And then I have 12 of these Green Mountain Diapers size large muslin flats, and these are cotton. And I really like these. They are a bit bulky for pad folding, but they're really great if you're pinning them on. I think if I had the regular size, they wouldn't be as bulky, but the size large are very absorbent and never ever worry about leaks. Really like them. They're super high quality. And I have 4 of these Sweet Iris flats, and these are bamboo stretchy flats. I think Sweet Iris Designs is out of business now, but these are size large or extra large, and they are excellent for overnight. I just use one of these and one of the Geffen Baby quick absorbers for her overnight diaper. And I have 2 down here right now, plus I have another one of these Grovia swim diapers, size 2. Really like those. And then I have one of the Luludew fitted diapers. Again, inside I have another one of the Geffen Baby quick absorbers as a booster. And I really like how trim fit this is. And then these are just some random inserts that I have. An extra quick absorber. Oh my gosh, these are some like, look at the wear on these. These are Sloom inserts that came with old fitted diapers that I had. They still work, you guys, so I use them as boosters. I like how narrow they are, so if you have, they work good in like the Thirsties diapers that have like that narrower tongue. Just because something has a hole in it doesn't mean it doesn't work. It's just maybe a little less absorbent, but I don't know, we still use them. And then these are just extra inserts that I have from my Diaper Right random Lalabye Baby insert. I have 3 of these snappies, and these have worked really well. I've had them through both of my kids, and they have never broken. And then I recently got Boingos. I love the Boingos. I wish I would have gotten them earlier. Not that I don't like the snappies, but this bottom part is something that always kind of bugged me. It always came undone. Last but not least, I have wet bags here. These are all like my to-go wet bags. this really small, cute one from Luludew. This came with wipes inside, and I like taking this because it folds up so small inside the diaper bag. The same thing with these Apple Cheeks ones. The PUL is thinner or something, and the zipper is really pliable. So I can roll this up really small inside of my diaper bag. This is my go-to wet bag. If I had to only pick one, I would definitely pick this Apple Cheeks. The Thirsties is similar in size, but the zipper isn't, I've found, to be as pliable, and it just seems not as easy to get rolled down small compared to the Apple Cheeks. This one is one that I made, and it's falling apart, but it's cute and it works. So sometimes I use it just around the house for like washcloths and things in the kitchen. This is my NuaBaby wet bag, and I love using this one. It's perfect for the pool. It's just the right size to throw in a couple towels and swimming suits, and it's really thick PUL, so I like using it for that. This is kind of my workhorse hanging wet bag. It is a super old, bought it secondhand. It's the Planet Wise hanging wet dry bag. Yeah, it holds a ton of diapers. So I have this hanging in our main level, and then upstairs we use pail liners inside of a trash can. So I have two, I'm not even sure of the brand, but they're just like from Amazon, cheap ones. And then a Buttons diaper pail liner, which I really like. This one, it's super big. I do have a Buttons diapers large wet dry bag as well that I use pretty much every day, and I'm not sure where it is. It can't have gone far because I use it all the time, but I have that as well. So that is my entire stash. In total, I have 21 all-in-ones, 5 pocket / all-in-twos, not counting these defective ones. And then I have 3 swim diapers. I think this is about 35 pieces of absorbency, and that includes what's going to be put inside the pocket diapers as well as what's used for the covers. So in all, that is about 60 diaper changes that I have. It's definitely more than you need. I'd say anywhere from 25 to 40 diaper changes is what I would recommend, depending on the age of your child, how often you like to wash, and how many times your child wets a diaper during the day. Another thing for me is having a bigger stash like this. It gives me variety, and it also makes sure that my diapers aren't wearing out really, really badly. Like, these all-in-ones are holding up so well. They are used very regularly, but they don't have any wear to them. If I only had these all-in-ones right here, and I didn't have any of these, prefolds and covers, I could still make this work in a stash. There's plenty of diapers here to make it work for one baby, but I would be seeing a lot more wear and tear to them, just because if you wash the same set of 25 diapers over and over and over for 2 years, you're going to see more wear. The reason I have so many of these flats is because when I did the flats and hand washing challenge last year, I had no flats. So I went ahead and bought all of these here because I wanted to have a full set of flats to do that challenge. Again, if you're watching this and feel overwhelmed with the number of diapers, I hope you can understand that the reason I have so many is mostly because I'm a YouTuber. Several of these products have been sent to me to review, and I'm so grateful for that. I've, kind of acquired more than needed just to kind of help support this channel and have more content for you all. I'm on Instagram, so if you want to reach me, send me a DM there or comment on any of my photos on Instagram, and I will always get back to you guys over there. So sorry for any inconvenience with having my comments disabled. Anyways, I will see you guys all next time. Bye!